Your dream school is closer than you think, and we're here to make it happen. As official representatives of top fashion and design Italian schools, we provide free, expert support to help you apply and succeed. Our team works directly with the schools, so you get accurate advice, insider tips, and personal guidance every step of the way. We help you through the admissions process step by step. Step 1. Program matching and application support. We help you choose the right course from over 100 programs based on your background, career goals, and creative vision. From portfolio to your personal statement, we guide you in crafting a strong, polished application that reflects your unique talent and aspirations. Step 2. Student Visa Assistance. We apply for your long-term student visa and walk you through the entire process, ensuring you meet every requirement and deadline with confidence. Step 3. Accommodation Guidance. Need help finding housing in Milan, Florence, or Rome? We will help you explore safe, student-friendly options. Step 4. Arrival and Orientation Support. After the student visa is successfully received, we provide pre-arrival instructions. We help you register for classes and settle after arrival. And the best part? You pay the same fees as students who apply on their own. All tuition fees are paid directly to schools as listed on their official websites, and our support remains 100% free. Ready to start your journey? We're here to guide you as official representatives of Italy's top fashion and design schools. Message us today, and let's start building your future in fashion, styling, design, or luxury. Your dream career begins with one message. Send a request today.